Hi, Teacher Masha is here. Today we learned how to paint a beach landscape.
Here are some photos of different beaches. You can see that the sky gets lighter closer to the horizon and that the water is darker at the horizon unless there is a haze or fog. Notice the different shades of blue in the sky and water. Also, look at how the waves appear smaller and closer together in the distance. Now let's begin our painting. Start with the sky. Paint a gradient from dark blue at the top. Continue with medium and a bit warmer blue. And finally use a very light blue at the horizon. Next, draw a straight horizon line using a ruler. Below the horizon, paint the ocean. Use the same darker blue right below the horizon. Then blend into a medium blue. Then a greenish blue. And finally the lightest blue near the shore. Blend all colors while they are still wet. Now let's add the shore. Paint a triangle in the corner starting with an ochre color. Make it lighter as you get closer to the ocean gradient. On the edge where the sand meets the water, add some foam using a flat brush. Remember, the foam isn't pure white. It has a warm blue hue. Add waves. The waves get smaller as they get closer to the horizon, and the distance between them also gets smaller. With a small round brush, add a few highlights. Finally, let's add some palm trees. Draw them lightly with a pencil first. Use a smaller round brush and brownish-bluish mix to paint the trunk. Hold the brush closer to the tip and change your angle so it looks like you're sticking it to the paper, so your likes are thin and you control it better. Paint the dry leaves with medium brown color. Then add greenish-bluish leaves. Finally, add some lighter mix of ochre and brown colors to paint the lights on trunks and leaves. And here is my finished artwork. Now let's talk about painting a light at the sunset. I filmed a flower bouquet with the light coming from above so we can see all the 3D details. But when I place the bouquet with the light source behind it, it appears as a dark silhouette. You can see this in these photos to see how the palm trees look black because the sun is behind them and we're seeing their shadow side. If you want to paint a sunset scene, remember this effect. Good luck with your project!